Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota, and this is our 2019 Boston Whaler 160 Super Sport. With a 90 horsepower Mercury on the back, I can tell you, she lives up to her sport name. This boat is undeniably impossible to get a smile off your face when you're ripping through the water. And with as much V as she's got on the bow, we routinely see these go out of our inlet and run right out into the Gulf. Whether this is a boat just to play around in, for you and 3 or 4 of your friends, or even a tender to something larger, this is a fantastically gorgeous and classic whaler that we've had the opportunity to see one of the very first on the West Coast. Guys, it's got storage in front of the steering wheel, a cooler under the secondary bench, a large storage well forward, and a whole bunch of gas for a 90 horsepower motor. This is a 2019 new for this year, Boston Whaler 160 Super Sport. We'd love to help you find the perfect one for you. I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota.